Are you studying PTE, IELTS, or CSS, or want to learn basic English grammar? So this is very essential course for you to get higher score and to learn English in a very easy and proper way. So in this lecture, we are going to learn about count and non-count nouns. There are two types of the nouns. In the last lecture, it was the lecture 1, we have studied about the nouns, singular and plural, but right now we are learning about the count and non-count nouns. So let's move forward. Let's study about the count nouns. What are the nouns which call the count nouns? Can be counted as one or more. So count nouns can be counted. You can count it whether it's one singular or the plural. Okay. Refers to people, places, or things which can be counted. So all the things which can be counted, the count nouns actually only refer to those type of things. For example, pen can be counted. 1, 2, 3 pen. Computer, bottle, spoon, desk, cup, television. So let's come towards the next whiteboard. Here we are going to say some examples. So you can say that the count nouns can work with expressions such as, there are few expressions and the count noun can work with those expressions. The expressions are a few, many, some, every, each, these, and the number of. These are actually the expressions which we use to denominate about the count nouns. Now come forward. Here are some examples to explain what are those expressions. For example, we have learned a few. You can say a few pens. You can say a few computers. You can say many bottles. You can say some spoons. You can say every desk. So every desk. Here is another expression, each cup. Please put tea in each cup. So each would be used with the cup. Television. These are the televisions of latest technology. Or you can say these expressions are here. Let's come forward. These can work with appropriate articles. So all the count nouns can work with appropriate articles. As you know, the articles are a, an, or the. For example, you can use a pen. Don't go anywhere, please. We have a little lesson ahead. You are just moving forward towards a good future because that matters a lot. Learning English is so simple. Just stick to my channel, Imran's English Council. You will learn IELTS, PTE. You will learn basic English, spoken English, and you will also know that we are sending students to Australia, Canada, UK, and USA for learning purposes. So let's come again. Don't go anywhere. Just listen. A pen. The computer. Look at my lips. The computer. A bottle. So these are actually the articles. You can use articles with count nouns. The spoon. Here we go. A desk. You can say a desk. The cup, a television. So in conclusion, we can say all the count nouns can be used with these expressions and articles. Now we'll go ahead for the non-count nouns. You are still here with us. It means you are a true student and a true learner. You will definitely excel in your life. Now come, non-count nouns. What are the non-count nouns? The first definition is cannot be counted. These nouns cannot be counted. Usually expresses a group or a type. The type or a group of something shows by the non-count nouns. generally cannot be pluralized. You cannot make the plural of these nouns, but you can make the plural of the count nouns by adding s, but here you cannot add the plurals of this. Shows items, quality, and concept. This is very, very acute. You are learning PDE. In PDE writing section, you have to use these things. In your IELTS, you must be aware about all that. For example, what are the noun count nouns? Sweet. Sweet is a noun count. Sunshine is a noun count. Rice, you cannot count the rice there in one plate. So soccer, the milk. So you cannot count the milk, the number of the particles or the molecules of the milks at the molecular level. No, noun counts work with and without articles. If you are thinking that whether the non-count nouns are working with articles or not, they are. For example, articles are a, an, or the. These are the articles. And we can use articles with them. For example, sugar is sweet. The sunshine is beautiful. Like, you are very beautiful. Just imagine in the mirror in the morning, you will feel, okay, no problem. The sunshine is beautiful. I drink milk. He eats rice. So these words, for example, sweet, sunshine, milk, and rice are actually the noun count nouns. Now, let's come over with it. Non-count nouns can also work with expressions. Expressions are like some, any, enough, this. Some, any, enough, this. These are actually the expressions. Just keep in mind these are the expressions. So how the noun count work with it? We eat some rice. Some rice. Here is some from the expression. Some rice and milk. Both are the noun count nouns. I hope to see some sunshine. So again, the some is here and shows the sunshine. Okay? So next, she does not speak much Spanish. Speak much Spanish. So these are actually the expressions with some non-count nouns. In today's lecture, we tried to cover the count and non-count nouns, and this was very, very essential for all the students who are really attempting their PDE or the IELTS test or want to appear in any competitive examination. If you are really interested to complete your A or O level, you have to learn this. So you have to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon please, and you can write in the comments that what type of the videos you want to have. We are trying to cover from the basic level to the higher level. We'll teach you A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2 level grammar very soon. So take care of yourself and your family members. Assalamu alaikum.